Yo, what's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another video, man. Stock talk, stock talk, stock talk. So, boom. I basically just wanted to talk to you about AMC. Uh, for the people that's already invested in AMC, for the people that's interested in investing in AMC, or for the people that just want to know what's going on. Uh, so let's start off with the basics, right? AMC. What is AMC? AMC is a movie theater, right? We've all been to the movie theater company, AMC. You know what I'm saying? We've all been to the movies, got the expensive popcorn, $10 drinks, all that. We've been there and done that. All right, so boom. Pandemic happens, right? Businesses shut down. AMC was one of them. Businesses go bankrupt. AMC wasn't one of them. AMC was very close though, right? People, hedge funds are the people, or just simply investors that basically they're betting that this stock drops. They're trying to bankrupt the AMC. Still, as I make this video, they're trying to bankrupt AMC, and it's just literally not happening, right? So here are the things that you need to know. So that's like the backstory. These hedge funds are trying to, these people with trillions and trillions of dollars. I'm talking about like they filthy rich. You know what I'm saying? Well, I mean, yeah, they're filthy rich, and banks give them money. Banks give hedge funds money. They get things on loan. We gonna get to that. So here are the things to know about AMC. After I just told you that, AMC is the number one held stock in the whole stock market as of today. It's been that for months now. It's been that. I mean, I got into AMC January 2021, February 2021. And it's been the number one stock since. You know what I'm saying? It's been the number one held stock. Number one held stock means that, okay, so the share count, which is probably way more than this. This is only counting US and I think Canada maybe. It was 3.2. Well, actually, they're doing another share count in a week or two. But as of today, what I know is 3.2 plus million shareholders, right? Shareholders. What is a shareholder? A shareholder is simply somebody that holds shares of a company, of a stock, right? I own shares of AMC. I'm a shareholder. You know what I'm saying? You may own, I don't know, 3, 5 shares of AMC. 1 share, you're a shareholder. You know what I'm saying? Basically, the shareholders, they control. Okay, so boom. They're trying to short the stock, and I'm skipping stuff, bro. I was literally telling y'all everything y'all needed to know about AMC. So boom, it's the number one held stock in the stock market. Number 2, these hedge funds are illegally manipulating the stock market, right? They're betting money that they don't have. Yes, how can a hedge fund with trillions and trillions of dollars bet money that they don't have? Well, they have money, but we have more time than they have money, right? Eventually that money's going to run out, and they're losing billions by the day. So basically what's happening is, as AMC is rising, I'm sure that's why you're watching this video, as AMC is rising, you know what I'm saying, they're still shorting the stock. They're still predicting that it's going to go down. They're still predicting that AMC is going to go bankrupt, right? They had a price target of AMC at $1 or 1 cent. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's just not logically, it's not smart, and they're losing billions and billions of dollars, and they're illegally manipulating the stock market, and everybody is watching. The whole fucking world is watching, bro. Everybody, right? I'm not the only person who owns shares of AMC. There's, like I say, 3.2 plus million people own this stock, and it's kind of like we're all a family, bro. Like, okay, so boom, if you go on Reddit, type in AMC stock, or if you go on Reddit, go to Reddit and type in AMC stock. Reddit is the app. It's basically like, just type in Reddit, bro. Go to reddit.com or just go to the app store, bro. But basically, if you just simply look up the hashtags on Instagram or the hashtags on Twitter, that's really all I use Twitter for. I'll be on Twitter a lot. Just to look up stuff about AMC, bro. There's literally millions and millions and millions of people who are holding this for their life to change. Like, what's happening with AMC will literally never happen again. So boom, synthetic shares, synthetic meaning fake, right? Fake shares. They're putting fake shares on the market. That's how they're manipulating it. They're by adding fake shares because these shares, they're getting them on loan. What is a loan? You're getting something, but you have to return it. You have to pay it back, right? They're putting all these shares in the market, bro. Retail investors, us, we're buying them up, we're eating them up, and they're wanting people to sell the stock. The only way, okay, let me put it like this: the only way these hedge funds win, because this is literally a war, like literally, the only way they win is if the 3.2 plus million people literally sell their shares, and everyone is agreeing not to, but they're still losing money. You get what I'm saying? And they have to return these shares, and return meaning buy back. They have to literally buy them back, right? So let's say they sold some shares at $14 on loan, but they have to buy them back. And all of these retail investors have agreed to hold the stock till it hits $100,000, right? So like we control the stock price. We control AMC. We as in retail investors, we own AMC. So 20% out of 100, 20% of AMC is owned by institutions. Institutions are big companies with a lot of money, bro, with a lot of money. And then 80, and it's probably a little bit more, 80% of the stock are owned by retail investors, people like me, bro. People like me. We literally own this stock, and we own all the shares that are on the market. So like I think, and I don't know exact number of AMC shares that are, so each company, each stock has a number amount of shares that they have on the market, and retail investors own 80% of that. You get what I'm saying? So it's like, if we have all the shares and they have to buy them back because they're shorting them, all we do is keep buying and holding, keep buying up all the shares, keep buying them and just hold it. They're going to lose money, and they have to buy the stock. They have to buy the shares back. So what does that mean? If we all hold, right, get with the program, AMC, hashtag AMC 100K, hashtag AMC strong, hashtag AMC, all them damn hashtags, hell nah. But look those up. You get what I'm saying? Like, this is we're damn near like a big family type shit. And this, like I said, I'm repeating myself, but this will never happen again. But we control what stock price we want it to go to, literally, because we own all the shares, bro. And it's crazy. It's crazy. So, okay, I don't believe a stock could hit $100,000 per share. Okay, you're watching this video. I'm at 8 minutes and 7 seconds. Pause the video and look up Google right now. Go to Google right now. Look up Berkshire, Berkshire, Hathaway, Hath away, stock price. And if you're lazy, you don't feel like Googling it, okay, cool. But that company is literally 400, I think $50,000 or $40,000 per share. For one share of that stock is 400. That's the most expensive stock on the stock market. You know what I'm saying? So stocks can get that high. There's stocks that's $10,000. There's stocks that's $2,000. There's stock that's $1,000. Stocks can get that high. There was a Volkswagen squeeze in 2008, bruh. I think that was the last, and that was a stock market crash. So another thing to keep in mind, there's finna be a stock market crash. It's coming. It's coming, bro, because mind you, what they did was illegal, and they're playing with money that's not even theirs. Banks have lost billions behind these hedge funds trying to short AMC. It's been on the news. Everything I'm telling you, like, you can literally Google this. AMC has a short squeeze stock, a short squeeze score of 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 short squeeze. What is a short squeeze, right? When, like what I just explained to you, when hedge funds, they're selling all these shares on the stock market, hoping that people sell them. You know what I'm saying? Like they're predicting that people sell. They're spreading fake news. That's another tactic that they have. They spread fake news. You can't literally believe everything that you read. So if you look up AMC news on Google, you're 9 times out of 10, you're going to find some fake news about Google or some biased news that might make you want to not buy the stock. That's another way they control the market. People, they pay these people to, that's the, they literally pay these people to be their little, their puppet. I was gonna say something else, but be their puppet, right? To do what they want to do. Money can never get you anything. You know what I'm saying? So, boom. Don't believe everything you read on Google. That's why I recommended Twitter, and I recommend YouTube videos like this. Look up AMC stock on YouTube. Look up hashtag 100K on YouTube. People talking to you like this. We're those people, they don't lie. We're part of the people that hold the stock. We're part of the people that control the stock price. You feel me? So boom. The minimum, bro, like, okay, so how high do you think realistically could it go, right? Minimum $1,000, bro. Like minimum $1,000. People may not actually hold into 100,000. Who knows? But I'm pretty freaking positive the minimum is going to go to 1,000 because all the money that they've wasted, all the money, all the shares that they've shorted, bro. Like, it's crazy. They're in debt so bad right now, bro. It's so bad. It's so bad for them. And I've been making 300 a day off AMC because it's steady going up. Now, one thing to keep in mind for the people that's already invested, what goes up gotta come down. Now, AMC is not gonna drop back down to $9, drop back down to 10, 11, 12. We have good support at about $14, right? So if AMC was to, for some reason, just go straight down, not gonna happen. It very well could, because these hedge funds, mind you, they have so much money, they can literally, bruh, I've seen some shit, bruh. They can manipulate the stock price. But like I said, we have great support at $14. So it probably won't drop. 9 times out of 10, it's not dropping below that no time soon. But don't get afraid when you see red days. Like, if you see the stock going down, because what goes up gotta come down or consolidate a little bit, bro. And that's when I feel like people should buy in. But then again, AMC is not a normal play. This is not a normal stock, right? You can't really compare normal stocks analysis to what's going on with AMC, because what's going on with AMC is so illegal. It's never happened. It will never happen again. It's literally, a lot of people's lives are about to change, bro. So like, y'all literally just need to get with the program, bro. Like, I'm giving y'all all the information y'all need to know. AMC 100K, AMC strong, or AMC stock. Look all those hashtags up on YouTube, or just type that in on YouTube. Get in before it's too late, man, because I've been in since January. I've been up, I've been down, but now I'm up, like, for real. So it's a good feeling, because when I first started, I was like kind of like a blind investor, and I learned the hard way. So I lost a lot of money, but now it's kind of like I was bound for a win. You get what I'm saying? Like, I was bound for a win. So AMC is the #1 play in the stock market right now. Don't believe me? Do your research. Look at the charts, right? I had somebody tell me supply and demand, and it's if you invest, I forget what they had said, but don't be one of those people, please, y'all, please. Once again, I'm not trying to convince y'all to do anything. I'm literally just trying to put y'all on some game. It's up to you to take that. And for the people that have listened to me, like multiple, like more than 5, I can count on 2 hands, at least 2 hands, that's listened to me and that's bought into this stock. I've asked them how they're doing. Are they in profit already? They've all said yes. Like, you're not gonna regret it. And I thank y'all for listening to me. And I thank y'all for actually taking that step, bruh, to even want to look into it. You get what I'm saying? A lot of people don't even take that step. But yeah, man, like AMC, like I said, it's the #1 play in the stock market. Anything I'm telling you, y'all can Google it yourself, bro. I'm just literally trying to tell y'all that's basically what's going on. So if you need one more summary of what's going on, people are these hedge funds with a lot of money trying to short the stock. They're trying to, we're not trying, they are shorting the stock, manipulating the stock price. And it's not working. People are not selling. We're holding. Everyone has agreed on 100K. You know what I'm saying? So, okay, boom. I forget. I remember what that person said now. They was like, don't buy into the hype. Don't buy into trends. When it's up, it's too late, right? So AMC is up drastically right now, like drastically. AMC probably, as I'm talking, is about $19. I bought in at $9 in January. So okay, if 100 if 3 point if 3.2 plus million people agrees to hold this stock to $100,000, let's say not all 3 million of them hold to that much. Some may sell at 1,000, some may sell at, I don't know, 2,500. I don't know. Some may sell at 500. I don't know, right? But if you buy in at $20 and it goes up a fucking dollar, you've made money. So it's not too late to buy into a trend. Now, if the stock is at $1,000, 2,500, I was okay. It's too late, but the stock is literally under $30, $40, $50. You know what I'm saying? Like, you can buy a couple shares, buy a share. You know what I'm saying? Like, you can buy $10 worth. If you only got $5, you can buy $5 worth of AMC and still come up at least $100, $200, the minimum. Like, that's just a number I just threw out there. You probably come out more if you hold long enough. It all depends on how long you hold. Nobody can tell you when to sell your stock. Nobody can tell you when to sell your shares. You know what I'm saying? If you want to try to hold to it, hit 100,000, do that. I'm one of them people that's trying to do that. At least 10K, at least 10. But anyways, look into this, bro. Like, I literally just told y'all everything y'all needed to know. And for the people that's already invested, man, like I said, don't get discouraged by red days. This is all a psychological game. If your mind not strong, don't even waste your time. Don't even waste your time. Because like I said, I've been up and I've been down. But it's like, bro, like, I knew. Okay, look. I work 6 to 4. Every day when I get off at 4, I'm reading about AMC. Every day. Stock analysis and stock news. AMC. Because this is so big. Documentaries are being made about this. Netflix movies are being made about this. Rappers are investing into this. Y'all need to get with the program for real. Like, for real. But anyways, I look at this stuff every single day. Like, there's literally nothing nobody can tell me about AMC that I don't already know. And I say that to say, when I see red days and the price is dropping, I don't even get bothered because I know it's really going on. It's a psychological game. Using your feelings is how you're gonna lose money. So if you plan on starting to be an investor, bro, like, your feelings is gonna lose you money. Erase those. Be cold-hearted to the stock market because it's not fair. As you can see, these hedge funds are manipulating, bro. They're literally stealing money from us. That's how the government eats. Literally, we're witnessing it, bro. Like, so, bro, like, come on, like, get with the program. Get with the program, please, y'all, please. You know what I'm saying? Don't miss out on this opportunity. Don't be one of those ones, man. Damn. You know what I'm saying? Just imagine they thought Bitcoin was a joke. They ain't believe in Bitcoin. I read about all the Bitcoin stories all the time, bro. I wish I would have invested, and then I'm looking at the people who did invest. They live in lavish, right? You feel me? Even if you only make $1,000 off of this, even if you only make 50, 100, it depends on. Okay, so put it like this: the more you invest, the more you can make, but only risk as much as you trying to lose, right? Put it like that. Risk. Don't go putting your whole life savings in on one thing. You know what I'm saying? Put as much as you want to lose, but the more you put in, the more you're gonna get out of it. Once you do your research, or after watching this video, you may even be even more confident about AMC after the information I just told y'all. So maybe you might want to buy a little bit more. That's not a bad idea. Let's put it like that. It's not a bad idea. But man, I basically told y'all everything y'all needed to know, man. Like, tap in with that stuff, bro. If y'all got any questions, comments, bro, definitely DM me at WordsMarJ on Instagram, or just put them in the comment section, man. Like, I definitely will answer y'all questions for sure. And once again, for the people that's eating with me, man, hey, I see you at the top. It's too crowded at the bottom, man.